Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a 45-degree angle line in AutoCAD. Drawing lines at specific angles is one of the most important skills in AutoCAD. Whether you're creating architectural layouts, engineering drawings, mechanical components, or geometric constructions, precise angles help ensure accuracy and consistency. AutoCAD's dynamic input feature makes it easy to create lines with exact lengths and angles directly on the drawing screen. Using exact angles helps you maintain drafting accuracy, create geometric shapes, design sloped features, produce professional drawings, and follow engineering specifications. A 45-degree angle is commonly used for construction lines, chamfers, isometric drafting, roof slopes, mechanical components, and geometric layouts. Dynamic input is an AutoCAD feature that displays measurement fields near your cursor while drawing. It allows you to enter lengths, angles, and coordinates directly on the drawing screen without constantly looking at the command line. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where you want to create the angled line. The line will be created within the current drawing file. Look at the lower status bar of AutoCAD. Find the Dynamic Input button. If Dynamic Input is already visible, click it to make sure it is turned on. If you cannot find the button, go to the Customization button, located in the lower right corner of the AutoCAD window. A list of available status bar tools appears. Locate Dynamic Input and make sure it is checked or enabled. Result: the Dynamic Input button now appears and can be activated. Without Dynamic Input enabled, the angle input boxes may not appear near the cursor. Click the Line tool from the toolbar. Alternative method, you can also type Line into the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD activates the Line command. Click anywhere in the drawing area to choose the starting point of the line. Every line requires a beginning point before its direction and length can be defined. Result: the first point of the line is established. Move your cursor away from the starting point. Dynamic input fields appear near the cursor. Typically, they display length and angle information. Before setting the endpoint of the line, press Tab on your keyboard. The active input focus changes. By default, AutoCAD often places the cursor in the length input field. Pressing Tab shifts the focus to the angle input box. Result: you are now ready to enter a precise angle. Type 45. You are instructing AutoCAD to create the line at 45 degrees relative to the current drawing direction. Entering the angle directly removes guesswork and ensures precision. AutoCAD locks the line direction to 45 degrees. Result: the line is created at an exact 45-degree angle. The line follows the specified angle precisely, rather than relying on manual cursor positioning. Professional CAD users frequently use dynamic input because it allows quick entry of exact lengths and angles while maintaining drawing accuracy. Additional tip: after entering the angle, you can also specify a precise line length if needed, creating a line with both an exact angle and an exact measurement. What you just accomplished: you opened AutoCAD, enabled dynamic input, started the line command, selected a starting point, switched to the angle field using Tab, entered 45 degrees, created a precisely angled line. The ability to draw lines at exact angles is fundamental to accurate drafting and forms the basis of many advanced drawing techniques. To summarize, drawing a 45-degree angle line in AutoCAD begins by opening the drawing and ensuring that dynamic input is enabled from the status bar. If the dynamic input button is not visible, it can be activated through the Customization menu in the lower right corner. Next, start the line command and select a starting point. Before specifying the endpoint, press the Tab key to move from the length input field to the angle input field. Enter 45 as the desired angle and press Enter. AutoCAD then creates the line at an exact 45-degree angle, providing a precise and efficient way to draw angle geometry. And that's how to draw a 45-degree angle line in AutoCAD. Using dynamic input and direct angle entry is one of the fastest ways to create accurate angle geometry. It eliminates guesswork and helps ensure that your drawings meet precise design requirements. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.